Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that need a basics diagnostic tool that's super affordable. It's not very expensive, easy to use, and it comes with IM readiness function that you can actually check if your vehicle is ready to pass emissions or not. All that will be shared in this video today. Stay with us and we'll explain where you can get that product from. It's very affordable and it's a product that we'll definitely recommend. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, as you can see, we take them completely apart and we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We'll share the link in the description of the video below guys for that too, and also if you need to buy any car parts, we'll share the link to our store as well where you can get some from. So now right here guys, this Volkswagen, okay, let me show you. That's a Tiguan 2014 model. It has the engine light on, okay, it has that engine light on. I'll start the car. I want to show you, okay, the engine light stays on, it will not turn off. Let me remove the parking brake so you can actually see. Only the engine light will stay on. So we're going to connect that scanner now, okay, that little bitty scanner, and find out if it's going, okay, to take care of that engine light. Tell us what's wrong with it, see if we can fix it, and we'll continue from there. So what I'll do, I'll turn the car off. Now I'm going to find the Obd port, okay, which is usually somewhere under the dash on most vehicles. So okay, let me see. Okay, right there, that pink one. Okay, perfect. So all I have to do, just plug it in. Okay, that's great. Now with the thing being connected, okay, you can see the scanner automatically turned on. So what we need to do next, turn the ignition switch on, okay. Let me go ahead, turn it on without starting the vehicle. This is guys, okay, the scanner, okay, right there. You can see how little it is, okay, very cool design. So all we have to do now, okay, it's even has the colorful screen. You have OBD, DTC lookup, review, and setup. In setup you can change language and all that stuff. Okay, let me just go ahead and show you quick. Okay, you can see in setup you have the languages, the units of measure, beeps, okay, and all that stuff. Now if you go to DTC lookup, okay, right there, DTC lookup, you can change the code, okay, and it's going to tell you what it is. Let's say you have a code, you found somewhere about a code, you can see what the code means. Now if you go to OBD, and that's where the diagnostic is, it's going to connect now, okay, and stay with us until the end. I want to show you the IM readiness function that tells you if the car is ready to pass emissions or not. Codes found: 1, monitors, okay, previously stored data, yes, we'll delete it. So now I'm going to go to engine right here, and under engine guys we can read codes. Okay, you can see here store codes here, or pending codes, or permanent codes. Check each one of those because sometimes you may have a different code as well. P0113, that's the intake air temperature sensor. That's a temperature sensor on the intake manifold. That's very important. Without it the engine will not perform correctly. So now I can go back. Pending codes, do we have anything different there? Nope. And now if I go back to permanent codes, okay, we have the evap system leak detected, very small, that needs to be taken care of, and the intake temperature sensor as well. So now we're going to pop the hood open, okay. Let me open the hood and we'll see where that sensor is and how we'll take care of that problem. So this is the engine right here, and if you look, that's the sensor right here, the intake air temperature sensor. Now we're going to go ahead, replace that one, and see if it fixes our problem now, and we can actually test it. I will show you how with that computer guys, that little bitty affordable computer, can actually do that through live data. So we replaced the sensor. I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition back on, okay, perfect. Now I want to show you something guys, okay. We're going to click erase data. Okay, are you sure you want to? Yes. We erase done. Now we're waiting. You can see the view freeze frame when the thing occurred. It will tell you what RPMs. Live data. Okay, if you click live data guys, okay, you can see something amazing here. Okay, it is going to open all the parameters on the engine, and we can do quite a few things here. It's going to read all the PIDs that are in the vehicle, so there is quite a few components that it's going to access. And what I will do at that point, I will start the car. Okay, engine light is not on anymore. Watch it reset it. That's unbelievable. And now you're going to click view data. You can even record it for analysis later. Complete data set. It's going to open everything, and you can check all the temperature sensors here. That's the thermostat, the coolant temperature, RPMs, the intake air temperature right here that wasn't working before. Now it's 28 degrees. Okay, the temperature outside, so 29. Okay, because the engine is warming up. Then when I rev it, it sucks fresher air, so it will drop to 27. So definitely working. You can check the MAF sensor as well and everything else. So definitely, guys, okay, that's a working sensor, and you can open even the graph and see them as well. That's unbelievable. Now you can do something else as well. You can play back the data if you recorded something. Onboard monitor test, component test. Under component test, you can test the evap leak test. You can do that one as well. And here you can do the IM readiness here, or if you connect the scanner. Okay, let me show you. Okay, are you sure you want to exit? We say yes. Now I'm going to turn the car off, turn the ignition back on. All I have to do, click that IM readiness. It's going to read everything and tell us, okay, if it's actually going to pass emission. So let me see, okay, for 1 second now. It's almost there. Okay, check it out now. It says what computers are ready, what are not. 0 DTC. Okay, the ones that have the X means that they're not ready. The one that have the line across it, it means that they're not supported by that car. So we have 6 computers that need to be ready in order to pass emissions. So that's a great tool, guys, for the price. I'll definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.